install your lock topper, first cut off the excess lace in front. Cut as close to the hairline as possible. Gather all of your own hair together in a ponytail. And when you put it on, ensure that the elastic band goes behind all of your own hair. Position the topper correctly. Adjust the elastic band to the tightness that's comfortable for you and pull your hair loose from the hold. If your baby hair is too long, you can trim it to your liking. Ensure the clips are opened up and then you attach them to your hair and close them up and then style as desired.